Have you ever wondered how to start a cleaning business and make it a profitable venture? With low startup costs and a growing demand for professional cleaning services, now is the perfect time to dive in. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know to launch your successful cleaning business. So, are you ready to turn your business idea into reality? Well, the first step is to register a limited liability company. And the easiest way to do that is with Northwest Registered Agents. Click the link in the description of this video and start your LLC today for as little as $39. And with that in mind, let's get started. Choosing your cleaning services. The first step in starting your cleaning business is deciding what types of cleaning services you will offer. Specializing in certain areas can help you stand out and attract your target customers more effectively. Here are some popular cleaning services to consider. Residential cleaning. This includes general house cleaning tasks like dusting, vacuuming, mopping, and cleaning bathrooms and kitchens. Commercial cleaning. Focus on cleaning business offices, retail stores, and other commercial buildings, offering regular and specialized tasks. Window cleaning. Provide interior and exterior window cleaning for both residential and commercial properties. Green cleaning. Use eco-friendly and non-toxic cleaning products and methods to attract environmentally conscious customers. Carpet and upholstery cleaning. Deep cleaning carpets, rugs, and furniture upholstery using specialized equipment like steam cleaners. Event cleaning. Offer cleaning services before, during, and after events such as weddings, conferences, and parties. Sanitization and disinfection services. Create a safe and germ-free environment, especially important in today's health-conscious climate. Move-in, move-out cleaning. Prepare homes for new occupants or clean up after someone that has moved out, ensuring a thorough clean. Post-construction cleaning. Remove construction debris, dust, and leftover materials, providing a thorough cleaning of all surfaces, floors, and fixtures. Now, when choosing your services, consider the demand in your area, your skills, the level of competition, and any local regulations. Starting with a few key services and expanding as you grow can be a smart strategy. Building a budget and securing finances. Starting a cleaning business is affordable, typically ranging from $650 all the way up to $10,000. You'll need money for licenses, insurance, equipment, supplies, uniforms, and maybe office space. If you don't have enough money, consider borrowing from friends and family with a formal loan agreement. Small business loans from bank or credit unions are also an option, as are equipment loans or leases for expensive gear. Business credit cards can cover small costs, but use them wisely to avoid high interest. Check out the Small Business Administration for low interest loans with flexible terms. It's important to include all your financial details in your business plan to show banks, investors, or insurance agencies. Proper budgeting and securing finances are key to getting your cleaning business off the ground. Selecting a business name and logo. Selecting the right name and logo for your cleaning business is crucial, as it will be the face of your brand for years to come. Your business name should reflect the services you provide and the values you hold. For example, if you plan to focus on eco-friendly cleaning, a name like Green Solutions could be effective. Your logo should be simple, timeless, and easily recognizable. You can hire a graphic designer or use online tools to create a professional-looking logo. Consistency in branding is key, so ensure your logo and business name are used consistently across all marketing materials. Registering your cleaning business. Before you start operating, you need to register your business and choose a legal structure. Many cleaning businesses opt for forming an LLC because it provides personal liability protection while being relatively easy to manage. An LLC separates your personal assets from your business liabilities, protecting you from being personally liable for business debts. Other options include sole proprietorships, which are simpler but offer no personal liability protection, and general partnerships, where two or more owners share responsibilities and liabilities. Corporations provide strong personal liability protection but come with more regulations and complexities. An S corporation offers pass-through taxation similar to an LLC, but has stricter ownership requirements. Consulting with an attorney can help you determine the best structure for your needs. Setting your rates. Determining how much to charge for your services is crucial. Research what your competitors are charging and consider factors such as your location, the specific services you offer, the type of clients you want to target, and whether the job is a one-time service or a regular contract. Offering estimates can help you and your clients understand the cost before starting a job. It's a good idea to charge a flat fee for these estimates, which can be credited back to the client if they hire you. This ensures you're compensated for your time and provides a clear pricing structure for potential clients. Purchasing equipment and supplies. Having the right equipment and supplies is essential for running a successful cleaning business. Start with multi-purpose cleaners for everyday dirt and grime on most surfaces. Glass cleaners are necessary for windows and mirrors, while disinfectants are crucial for sanitizing surfaces in kitchens and bathrooms. Bathroom cleaners, floor cleaners, and specialized products for different floor types are also needed. Microfiber cloths are excellent for general cleaning and polishing as they effectively trap dust and dirt without scratching surfaces. Sponges and scrub brushes are useful for tougher cleaning jobs, and a good quality vacuum cleaner is essential for carpets, upholstery, and hard floors. Don't forget everyday necessities like trash bags and rubber gloves. Customizing your cleaning supplies based on the services you offer and the types of clients you target will ensure you're well prepared for any job. Hiring the right employees. Finding reliable staff is key to providing excellent service and building a good reputation. Clearly define the roles and responsibilities for each position before starting the hiring process. Use online job boards to find candidates who have a strong work ethic, attention to detail, and a commitment to customer service. During interviews, ask behavioral questions to understand how potential employees handle real-world situations on the job. Conduct background checks to ensure trustworthiness, especially since your employees will be entering private properties. Branding and marketing your cleaning business. Building a strong brand and an effective marketing strategy is crucial for success in the cleaning industry. Start by creating a clear brand identity that reflects your values and appeals to your target customers. This includes everything from your logo and color scheme to the tone of voice you use in your promotional materials. Consistency is key to building trust and recognition. Make sure to have a user-friendly website that highlights your services, showcases customer reviews, and provides easy contact options. Establish a presence on social media with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to reach a broader audience. Encourage happy customers to leave positive reviews on sites like Yelp and Google and respond to any negative feedback promptly to show that you value customer input and are committed to improving your services. Offering competitive prices and special promotions can help attract new clients. Consider discounts for first-time customers or referral bonuses for existing clients who bring in new business. Traditional methods like flyers, local newspaper ads, and door-to-door marketing can also be effective, especially in residential areas. Utilizing technology. Leveraging technology can streamline your operations and make managing your cleaning business easier. Employee scheduling software allows you to create schedules manually or use auto-scheduling features to generate schedules based on employee availability and preferences. Time clock apps with GPS ensure that staff can only clock in and out when at job sites, reducing time theft. Training new employees and providing ongoing training is crucial for maintaining high standards. Online training platforms can help you onboard new hires quickly and create customized training courses they can complete from their phones. Task management tools allow you to assign tasks to your staff and set reminders to ensure everything is completed on time. Effective communication is vital for smooth operations. Team chat apps, social media style news feeds for updates, and company directories make it easy to stay in touch with your team. Storing important documents and training materials in the cloud ensures they're always accessible, even on the go. Starting a cleaning business involves careful planning and execution, but with the right approach, it can be a highly rewarding endeavor. By choosing the right services, securing your finances, hiring reliable staff, and leveraging technology, you can build a successful cleaning business that stands out in the market. So, are you ready to turn your business idea into a reality? Well, the first step is to register a limited liability company. And the easiest way to do that is with Northwest Registered Agents. Click the link in the description of this video and start your LLC today for as little as $39. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.